Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Times. We're in a home here that we've purchased. We're going to fix it up and we're going to see if we can make some money on it. So everybody's watching HGTV and you see these prices of these houses that, you know, they're making $50,000, $60,000 on a flip. Not quite sure that's accurate in some cases. So I just want to show you this quickly too. This is, so we're going to keep a lot of the original trim in this. This house is about 100 years old, but look at this pocket door. So this actually goes outside here, but this is the original pocket door to the home. And although it's really loud and clunky, we're going to fix it up and we're going to keep it, because when you close this door, you cannot hear anything coming down the street. And I just think it's cool. So we'll put some new track on there. In this area here, this is going to be basically the family room. So they'll have their couch, their TV. Not a huge area, but it's a good size if everything's placed properly. And then we have this additional front room, which is a great idea. So this is probably going to become like somebody's office. So we're going to lose obviously these doors. But the other thing people want now is they want a main level bathroom. So do you do a 2-piece or do you do a 3-piece? Well, a 4-bedroom home, most people are going to want a 3-piece at least. So we're actually going to put in a tub and a shower together with a vanity and a toilet. And so we're going to build a wall here. We'll have a door. We're going to build a little corridor here, so you walk through the corridor into the bathroom, and then you still have a good area for an office. So I think price-wise, even though it's going to cost us to put that in, I think it's going to be money well spent because people are going to want that. One other thing quickly, the ceiling in here. Something I want to keep. I think it needs to be painted obviously, but I think it looks amazing. So we're going to try to keep that as part of the original part of the house. So we're going to paint that up and make it look beautiful. And it'll take us a while, but we'll come back and we'll show you the finished product.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Anden Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.